In today's video, I'm going to teach you Adobe Photoshop how to save in high resolution. First, make sure you have Photoshop open along with the project you want to export. You should see your image or design inside the main editor window ready to work on. Before you hit save, it's really important to check that the resolution and size are correct, so your final file looks sharp and professional. Go up to the top menu and click on Image, then choose Image Size from the drop-down. This will open a dialog box that shows you the current width, height, and resolution of your image. Here's where you decide how crisp your final output will be. For print work, you'll generally want the resolution set to 300 pixels per inch or PPI. That's the standard for high-quality printing. For basic printing, 150 PPI can be enough, and for detailed print production like magazines or art prints, you might even go up to 600 PPI. If your project is only for the web, such as social media or a website, 72 PPI is usually fine. Also pay attention to the physical dimensions, like inches or centimeters, to match the size you actually need. You'll also see a checkbox called Resample. Keep Resample enabled only if you want Photoshop to actually change the number of pixels in the image. If you just want to adjust the print resolution without altering pixel dimensions, turn Resample off. Once you're happy with the resolution and size, confirm the settings and close the dialog. Now let's export a high-resolution PNG. PNG is ideal for graphics, logos, anything with a transparent background, and designs that need very sharp edges. Go back to the top menu, click File, then choose Export and select Export As. A new dialog box will appear. Set the file format to PNG. Make sure the option for a smaller file is unchecked so Photoshop doesn't overly compress your image, and set the scale to 100% to keep the full resolution you just set. After that, click File again and choose Save As. Your computer's file browser will open. Here you can pick the final file type depending on how you'll use the image. Choose PNG for graphics with transparency. Choose PSD if you want to keep all your layers for future editing. Select JPEG for photos or images you plan to share online. Use PDF if you need a print-ready document, and pick TIFF when you need maximum quality for professional printing. Once you've saved in the format you need, you're done.